I am in the middle of making some amazing ciabatta roll sandwiches, and I'm going to make the dressing for my honey ham and Swiss ciabatta roll sandwich. And I am going to use honey, mayo, some light mayo, dried mustard, and some poppy seed dressing. And I'm going to start with about a half a cup of mayo. And I'm going to kind of just eyeball it here. It's about a half a cup there. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of honey. This is one of those recipes that eyeballing it is super easy. So there's about 1. There's about 2. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of dried mustard. And then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of the poppy seed dressing. I actually really like this, so I'm actually going to do 2 teaspoons, even though my recipe only calls for 1. And then we're going to mix this together. I am also doing a Cubano style ciabatta sandwich and a toasted Italian ciabatta sandwich, and so if you're interested in those recipes as well, I will link to them. And my ciabatta rolls are homemade with my sourdough starter, and they are delicious, and so I'll link to that as well. These are perfect sandwich recipes for lunch, for yourself, for your family. They're also great for a crowd. You can make your ciabatta rolls as small or large as you want, and so it's a super easy crowd pleasing recipe. And there we have it. I am making my honey ham and Swiss ciabatta sandwich with a homemade poppy seed dressing that is so good. This makes such a delicious lunch. Got my homemade ciabatta rolls made with my sourdough starter. If you can use store-bought, that's totally fine. I just love the homemade version. And on my honey ham and Swiss, it's really simple. You saw all the ingredients I put into the sauce, which I have right here. I made that while my rolls were baking, so it's all ready to go. And I am going to put this poppy seed dressing on both the top and bottom buns here. This is a sandwich you can do cold, you can do it toasted. I think it's good both ways, and it's just so simple. You can just add your ham. And your Swiss cheese. I like to add banana peppers to mine, but you can totally leave that off. Red onions are also really good on this sandwich. And then I layer more ham on top of the cheese. There we go.